The number one reason why I hate it is the price. On sale for $97.99. Wait, it's not even on sale? Okay. Regularly priced for 98 bucks. You get the drill, of course, 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. And I hate that because that is half the price of what I spent for my DeWalt, which I've had for many years. Number 2 is the size. Now, just as a reference, not comparison, it is smaller. It's slightly taller, that's due to the bigger battery backup, but you are about just over 9 inches for the height, 4 3/4 from the head to the tail, and about 2.5 wide. Now you might be thinking, with that smaller size, you're probably going to get less torque, and that is not the case. You get 2,200 inch-pounds or about 180 foot-pounds with this guy. This leads me into number 3, which is the output torque. I recently watched the Torque Test channel. Great channel, not affiliated with them anyway, but they go through and do an extensive testing of all different types of tools, and of course, they had the Hercules impact wrench alongside with all of their others in the same category. The Hercules tested right in line with everything that they claim, and in combination with the other aspects of the drill and price, this thing is number 1 on their list right now. I was honestly rooting for it to be overrated just so then I can forget about this and go back to my yellow. So number 2, I hate the compact size, and number 3, the true torque rating. Number 4 is warranty. Where's the lousy 90-day warranty? Nope, not with this. They stuck it with a 5-year warranty. All the Hercules tools have it. Wish they would kind of put that for some of their other products. I don't know. Hey, maybe we'll be seeing a Hercules welder come out pretty soon. Product manager, there's an idea for you. Number 5 is feel and comfort. Okay, now say what you will, but I've had my DeWalt forever. It was one of those things where, you know, you bought your first combo kit, and then since you had all of the batteries, you thought, hey, what's just another tool, right? In short, I'm very comfortable with DeWalt. Now, just with any new tool, I figured I'd have to take some time, do a bunch of projects to get used to this, and right out of the box, that was not true with the Hercules. The ergonomics are great and very comfortable to use. Number 5, I hate how easy it was to get used to. Number 6 are features. Now, aside from your typical 3 speeds, they actually added an A, and that means it's an auto stop. In short, after a couple impacts, it will just automatically stop. Most other tools do have these other features, but I think it's worth noting. You get the 3 LEDs around the collet so you can actually see what you're drilling. A variable speed trigger. The belt hook and bit holder. Number 7, after using the impact for a little while, I hate how freaking awesome it is. So much so that I even went out and bought the second most used tool in my garage, the angle grinder. And I can't believe I bought another. Well, yep, I believe it. Side note, they actually do got a sweet deal going on right now where if you buy the $120 battery and charger, then you get a free tool. Only buy if you want your own list of things to hate about Hercules. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.